Welcome to week 6 and the to-do list. So the very first thing it talks about is number 2. We're getting close to needing it to get completed. So I want you to keep working on your read aloud video and reflection. There's the link. Again, all the directions are within the link. We right now are on step 3. Here was the blank planning template. Below it is also my lesson plan that if you want to look at it. Right now you should be starting to also transition into finishing up your script. And then starting to look at the preparation. Prepare your vocabulary words. Are you going to use chart paper, note cards, a digital slide, etc.? Start thinking through that. Start thinking, how are you going to record it? You should have a Screencast-O-Matic account, and you can then upload that to YouTube. And then we're going to be doing this too, watching your video and reflecting with your peer mentor. We'll talk about that in class this week. And then a reflection. And the new learning for this week is on section 4. You choose the page in your notebook. So you just choose the next page. The Writing Teacher's Companion Part 4. If you go to the submission link on the bottom and click here, all the directions are in there as well, but the directions are here too. This is a format that we've used before. 3 new ideas, 2 quotes, and a question. And that's what we're turning in. So take a picture of your notebook, and you can look at also the rubric down below. Okay, to get the 4 points, you need to come to class and talk about it. And let's go back to the submission. When you're done, submit that, and then I will see you next week. Have a good weekend. Bye.